Today, I'm excited to share with you a step-by-step guide on how to change a Honda wiper blade insert type. First, raise the wiper arm to make it easier to access the attachment point of the blade insert. 2. Locate the release tab. Underneath the wiper arm, you'll find a small tab or clip. Pressing this tab will release the old blade insert. Once the tab is pressed, gently slide the old rubber blade insert out of the wiper arm. To find the correct wiper blade sizes, please check the description. Insert the new blade. Take the new wiper blade insert and slide it into the wiper arm. Ensure it is fully seated until you feel a click, indicating that it's securely in place. 5. Lower the wiper arm. Carefully lower the wiper arm back to its resting position